Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see how to create a snapshot of Linux or Unix instance in Amazon Lightsail. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to my instance and I see my test as a AWS Linux instance. Now, if you will click on snapshots, I do not have any snapshots here. That is what I'm trying to do here. So you go back to your instances, click on the instance, and you see here snapshots. You can create a snapshot to back up your instance, its system disk and attached disk. Automatic snapshots are disabled. So if you will click here, Lightsail will automatically take a snapshot of your instance every day. We will store your seven most recent snapshots. Older snapshots will be replaced and your snapshots are created. So if you want to do it, you can do it to the managed snapshot service from AWS. Will take these snapshots every day and would deleted after every 7 days. So every new would be replaced with the eighth snapshot. If you don't want to do it, you can create a snapshot from here. This is your snapshot name. Click on create. Snapshotting. The name of the snapshot is this, showing one of one snapshots. I'll pause the video and come back when it is done. All right, my snapshot is completed. And if you would see showing one of one snapshot, it has taken the backup of my disk as well. So that is how you take a snapshot. Now, if you will click on the go to the home screen, click on snapshots, you would see that this is one snapshot here. Now, if you would see the options here, you can copy to another region, you can export to Amazon EC2, and you can delete a snapshot as well. So if you would see that if you want to export it to Amazon EC2, click on export it to Amazon EC2. It says we'll export your Lightsail snapshot to the same region in Amazon EC2. You are in app Asia Pacific. Lightsail instant snapshots are exported as AMIs and attached disk snapshots are EBS snapshots. So when the export is complete, you can create an Amazon EC2 instance using the create an Amazon EC2 instance page in Lightsail or the Amazon EC2 console. You will be billed in the Amazon EBS rate for storing an EBS snapshot. Are you ready to export your snapshot? Click on continue. Acknowledged. It says exporting to Amazon EC2. So if I would log in to my EC2 console, I would see this snapshot and then I can create an EC2 server out of this. Let me pause the video and come back as soon as it is done. Okay, it says exported to Amazon EC2. You can either create a new Amazon EC2 instance from here or you can click on open the Amazon EC2 console. Let's have a look there. It will take you to the Mumbai region because you stored your snapshot there. This is it. So now if you want to launch it, you can launch the instance from that portal as well. You have to click on these options, and if you would click here, create a new Amazon EC2 instance, you can do it from here as well. Compute resource, find closest match, T2 micro, and specify port configuration, launch script, same things it's gonna do. And it will show you that you are creating an AWS resource outside of Lightsail. Create resources, acknowledged. If you ever use the Lightsail default key to connect to your instance, okay. And it will start creating an instance for you. You want to return to Lightsail or go to Amazon EC2. Say you want to go to Amazon EC2. It will be under here, here, EC2. Review and launch. And launch. Okay, okay, I think I don't have that. View instance. I launched two. I'm sorry. This is how you launch an instance, and then you will connect the same way that you were connected here. So I hope this was useful for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have a good day. Bye bye.